So this is 2.3 absolute value equations and inequalities. With example 1, we want to graph the solution set of each equation or inequality. So definition of absolute value of x. So absolute value of x is equal to 3. Then that means that what you do, you say x is equal to 3 or x is equal to negative 3. So then these are the solutions of this equation. So then we have negative 3 and 3. Okay? And it's just these points. It's just this point and this point. So it's just 2 points in this equation. Okay? Now, absolute value of x is greater than 3. So what you do, so these are 3 cases of absolute value, and there are 3 different ways you handle it. So with the greater than symbol, you say x is greater than 3 or, and then you flip and flip, x is less than negative 3. Okay? So when it's greater than, you say or, less than, you do or, flip, flip. Okay? So then we're still dealing with 3 and negative 3. So then negative 3 and 3, x is greater than 3, so we're going to go this way to the right, or x is less than negative 3, so we're going to go this way to the left. For this first one, the solution set was x is equal to negative 3 and 3. The second one, in interval notation, you're going to say negative infinity up to negative 3 union 3 to infinity. So you need all of these. When it's less than, when absolute value of x is less than something, we've already isolated the absolute value. This one is a lot easier. You just say negative 3 is less than x, which is less than 3. So you just keep the x is less than 3 part, and you add on this negative 3 is less than. So you can do it like this. But greater than, you have to put this or business like you see here. Okay, so x is between negative 3 and 3, so we're still dealing with negative 3 and 3. And we're going from here to here, and this. And then interval notation is going to be negative 3 to 3 with parentheses. Okay. So let's look at solving absolute value equations and inequalities. So here's a formal definition as to what we just did. Okay. So if you have the absolute value of something is equal to k, then once you isolate the absolute value, you say the absolute value is equal to k, or you say the inside part is equal to k, or the inside part is equal to negative k. A common error that people do, they'll change this sign right here. They'll change this and it'll be wrong. So what you want to do is you want to say the inside equals k or the inside equals negative k, and then solve for x. And the solution set is usually 2 points. Now, when you do absolute value is greater than k, you still do the inside part is greater than k or the inside part is less than negative k. So or flip flip. So greater than means or flip flip. And then you will solve accordingly. But when you have the absolute value is less than k, the easiest thing to do is say negative k is less than the inside part is less than k, and solve from there.